We are an STIer, a proud STIer.
So before we start, we decided na mag-interview muna ng mga freshmen. And here is our question. Kamusta ka sa STI?
Hi! In one or two words, kamusta ka sa STI?
Okay lang, masaya.
Ngayong malapit ng exam,
Kinakabahan.
kaya pa?
Carry. Stress kasi madaming activities.
Okay lang naman po, masaya. Tsaka po madali pong makipagkaibigan.
Ayos naman, mabuti.
Okay naman na nagagawa namin yung mga bagay namin hindi nagagawa dati.
I feel aesthetic.
Nakaka-survive pa.
Ikaw po ate, kamusta ka pa?
Enjoy, stress, pagod. Pero kaya rin naman.
Stress pero enjoy.
How about you ate?
I think nag-enjoy din ako and at the same time, I'm stressed.
For our guest, we have Miss Camille B. De Los Reyes who graduated at STI Balayan.
Hello po ma'am, good morning po. So first of all po, we will ask few questions about how did you succeed from being an STIer po. So these are the basic questions po. Can you tell us about yourself, about your name, age, and anong school year po kayo na-graduate?
Hello, my name is Miss Camille Buhar de los Reyes. I graduated at STI College Balayan the year of 2022.
So ano pong current career niyo po as of the moment?
I'm a professor here in STI College Balayan.
First of all, why did you choose STI?
Oh, why I did choose STI? Kasi pinili ko sa STI kasi nakikita ko yung point of view na mararating ko in career kasi hindi lang dahil sa si STI sa top 10 na school dito sa buong Philippines. Kasi dahil siguro alam ko na mas malaki ang matutulong sa akin ni STI as a student in the past few years.
And the second one, looking back at your college life in STI, what do you think is the most fun part of being an STI?
Being fun part of being an STIer, siguro yung lahat may equal, lahat may pagkakaisa. Kasi looking back when I college days, doon ko naramdaman na lahat friendly, lalo-lalo na sa mga prof, hindi ka nila pababayaan pag nasa lowest part ka na ng academics. At yun din yung ina-apply ko ngayon. So being part of an STI, friendly lahat at lahat na hindi ka makakaramdam ng loneliness, lalo na when it comes to activities.
So the third one po is what were the skills that you have that most help you throughout your journey in college? Parang how did you survive?
In my communication skills din, kasi I'm a friendly student back 2022 or since na first year ako hanggang fourth year. Siguro mas lalo ko siyang na-enhance kasi lahat ng makakasalubong mo dito sa STI, kahit lalo na mga teacher, talagang mararamdaman mo na, nakaka-proud maging STIer.
In what way did STI transform you and prepared you to be well equipped for your current career?
STI really enhanced my personality and my knowledge during my college days. So, talagang nahubog niya yung pagkatao ko at ngayon, nai-adapt ko na ngayon, which is kinuha ko na STI. Talagang masasabi ko na it's a very good career na binigay sa akin ng STI as a professor here in STI College Balayan.
What is the most crucial thing that you learned from STI that you are able to use in the real world after graduating?
Siguro yung maturity, kasi in my college days, di natin maiiwasan na magkaroon tayo ng immature era. Talagang sa STI and that teachers na ngayon ay co-teachers ko na, mararanasan nyo din as a college student or student here in STI na every season or every sem na it will build your personality during that days. Siguro mas na-realize ko na kailangan pala natin mag-mature every year natin dito sa STI.
We've heard that you graduated cum laude. As a graduate with flying colors, what advice would you give to students that are challenged and pressured?
Oh, actually, sobrang hirap makuha yung Latin honor. So, I can give the advice for those students na pressured and challenge. Siguro, wag nilang masyadong i-pressure yung sarili nila. Kasi there was a time na talagang mahirap yung subject, hindi nila kayang yung academics. So, ang gawin lang nila ay fund and tutok sa academics. Hindi yung masyado kang dun mo binibigay lang lahat ng oras mo. Wala ka ng panahon para sa sarili mo, para sa pamilya mo. So, kumbaga, dapat balance lang. Kaya mo silang pagsabayan in a balanced way, in a balanced time na kaya mong bigyan ng mas oras yung academics at yung oras ang pamilya mo at lalo na yung sarili mo. Kasi mahirap mag-aral nang wala ka masyadong, alam mo yun, hindi ka masyadong tutok sa sarili mo at sa pamilya mo. Kumbaga, ang mangyayari dyan ay mag-iiba yung path mo kasi nandun ka na lang nakafocus. Kumbaga, wala ka masyadong self-time and family time. Dapat, sa pag-aaral o sa academics ay pareho lang natin silang binibigyan ng time.